If you've been having issues with the NVIDIA app, stick around. Okay guys, so I've been hearing that there's been a few problems with the NVIDIA app where if you try to load up the app, it says there was a problem with NVIDIA app, relaunch your app. If it doesn't work, then try reinstalling the NVIDIA app and reboot your PC. Well guys, that may help in some cases, but it may not work in every single case. So I'm here to show you one of the ways to fix this issue. Okay, first step, click on Control Panel or go to your navigation bar, type in Control Panel, open it up, top right on the list, type in Add, and you should see Programs and Features. Below that you should see Add or Remove Programs. Click on it, scroll down until you see NVIDIA app. You should see NVIDIA app, NVIDIA Frame View, NVIDIA Graphics Driver, NVIDIA HD Audio, and NVIDIA Physics System software. So guys, what I want you to do is right click on NVIDIA app, uninstall, and it should tell you to reboot the system. So I want you to repeat that until all 5 over here are deleted. So uninstall, reboot your PC, uninstall, reboot, uninstall, reboot, uninstall, reboot, and uninstall, reboot. Once you do this, then reboot for one last time, and then reinstall NVIDIA app. Once you do that guys, then NVIDIA should be up and running once again. And once it's up and running, remember to head to drivers, and since you uninstall your drivers, you got to reinstall drivers. So your driver will be here, install the latest driver for your graphics card, and everything should be working. Thank you for watching.